Hello! Today we will prepare a quick vegetarian dish with you, without throwing out pastries and fresh herbs. That means any dish will work in this hanging skillet, so pick your favorites or use what you already have. Let's see how it's done. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 12 ounces baby potatoes, thinly sliced, 4 cups thinly sliced vegetables such as mushrooms, bell peppers, and or zucchini, 14 ounces, 3 scallions, thinly sliced, green and white parts separated, 1 teaspoon minced fresh herbs such as rosemary or thyme, 6 large eggs, or 4 large eggs plus 4 egg whites, lightly beaten, 2 cups packed leafy greens such as baby spinach or baby kale, 2 ounces, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Step 1. Heat oil in a large cast iron or non-stick skillet over medium heat. Add potatoes, cover and cook, stirring several times, until they begin to soften, about 8 minutes. Step 2. Add sliced vegetables and scallion whites, cook uncovered, stirring occasionally, until the vegetables are tender and lightly browned, 8 to 10 minutes. Stir in herbs. Move the vegetable mixture to the perimeter of the pan. Step 3. Reduce heat to medium-low. Add eggs and scallion greens to the center of the pan. Cook, stirring, until the eggs are softly scrambled, about 2 minutes. Step 4. Stir leafy greens into the eggs. Remove from heat and stir to combine well. Stir in salt. Per serving: 254 calories. Protein 12.4 gram. Carbohydrates 19.7 gram. Dietary fiber 4.3 gram. Sugars 4.5 gram. Fat 14.2 gram. Saturated fat 3.3 gram. Cholesterol 279 milligrams. Vitamin A IU 2936.2 IU. Vitamin C 87.3 milligrams. Folate 73.6 micrograms. Calcium 72.5 milligrams. Iron 2.8 milligrams. Magnesium 33.6 milligrams. Potassium 713.8 milligrams. Sodium 415 milligrams. Please don't forget to subscribe.